Good morning. Yeah, because you hear the roosters. Early Monday morning. Nice and cold. Not too cold, but fairly cold. Comfortable cold. Gotta like that rooster. I have his gun. Lights down there. You can even hear the turkeys. Coffee is a brewing. Got my cup. Okay. Played this game when he was younger. I used to try to sneak up on him, but you could never get him. But now that he's older, he's too easy to sneak up on. Yeah, he's a little deaf now, and his eyesight is not as good, but he's still going, right? You're still going, buddy. Hang in there. Chickens in the tree. Transfer station. There. Chickens in the tree. Everybody goes to Macy's after Christmas. It's close as winter as you can get right here in Costco in the produce section, or the dairy chill. Was us at Costco today. Woke up early this morning and got to kind of relax and drink coffee. It was a good day. Did a little bit of stuff. Went around town a little bit and just kind of came back home and sat around. Watched a movie today that I really like. It's actually a back to it's another John Cusack movie that I actually find really entertaining and funny. It's also got Billy Bob Thornton in it. Directed by Harold Ramis. It's called Ice Harvest. It's a kind of a dark comedy movie. It's interesting because if you haven't seen it, it's one of those movies that keeps you wanting to watch it because you're like, what's going to happen to these guys? John Cusack and Billy Bob Thornton basically steal money from the mob, and they're like trying to, meanwhile, John Cusack is getting a little paranoid as he starts to realize that one of the henchmen of the mob, and that's played by a guy that's always the henchman. I always feel like he's always like a thug or something. He's also in City Heat as well. That one just comes off the top of my head from Clint Eastwood and Burt Reynolds. But this movie, like I said, it keeps you interested. It's an interesting movie. If you haven't seen it, Ice Harvest, it's a kind of a dark comedy. I don't want to spoil it for those of you that haven't seen it, but it's worth watching at least once. It's kind of funny at times, it really is, but it's not like one of the. It's not like a Chevy Chase movie. It's not like where it's like trying to be funny. It's the humor's there. You just gotta have to. It's almost like, I don't know, like a dry sense of humor, I guess. Yeah. But I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Get this thing uploaded, and that's gonna be it for today. And I'll see you tomorrow.